Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2008 Yamaha FZ1. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Yamaha. This is on the HPI as a Cat D. It does come with a spare key. Also comes with a spare with a red key as well. What we'll do, we'll start at the front. We'll get a good look all around the bike. Get a good look at the condition for you. This is in a metallic grey. As you can see, it's got a brand new tyre on the front. Does have some service history with it as well. Look in at that radiator cover. It has got the carbon fibre side covers there on the radiator. Also got the R&G frame protectors on there, the bungs on it. Get a look at the engine low down as well. Does have a centre stand as well as a side stand. Get a look at the tank and the side of the seat. Get a look at the plastics as well on the side. Let's get a look in at the rear shock. Get a look at the chain and sprocket as well. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. We'll move around to the back. Does have a tail tidy on it. Look at that back tyre as well. Plenty of tread on that. Loads left on the rear pads there as well. Just seeing there. Do the same on this side. We'll get a good look across all the side of the plastics and the tank. I'll just move the bars around for you so you can get a full look at the tank there. Let's get a look at the engine from this right hand side. We'll finish off at the front on the right hand side, and let's get a look at the front wheel from this side. What we'll do, we'll go up, take a look at the controls, get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you've got your throttle, your front brake, which is reach adjustable. You've got your kill switch and your starter. And over on the other side, you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators, horn, and your hazards. Let's turn this on. Let's get a look at the mileage, and it's done 14,309 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.